Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Janet. And in this video I'm gonna tell you why I'm not gonna buy cat litter anymore, and I will not be using cat litter because I found another efficient and less pricey way to use a different product as your cat litter. So if you're new to this channel is about travel, daily life of my East West life, cat video, cooking show. You'll be surprised what you will find in this channel. So like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell somewhere up there, down here, so you can be notified of my future video. So let's go. Previously, I am using a plant-based mini pellet that is no fragrance, no GMO, and all that good stuff. I never had used clay for Timmy's litter box, and that's what I'm using, the mini pellet. And it's good, but a box of, I think it was less than 20 pounds, is like $20+. And that is good for about, I'll say, a month and a half, because you gotta change his litter box pretty much once a month, and that would probably fill up one, and then probably a half of the next month's litter. I gotta change it out. So anyway, so I'm trying to see if there's any more economical way of doing this, and I came across this one, and I think, in my opinion, this is better and actually less cost, like a quarter in terms of cost. I'm going to show you how this new pellets that I found works. So you can see they all like pine, natural pine pellets. And you notice here, see how this one, it's basically when the cat wet these pellets, it doesn't clump, but instead disintegrated into some dust particles. And what happened now is you can't really scoop this dust particle. It's difficult. So what I do now is I just shift these pellets like that. And what happened is all those dust particles now settled at the bottom. And I say dust particle, but it doesn't make your house dusty. After all, you have a cover for your cat litter box. So this is what I do. And if Timmy does number 2, now of course with number 2 you're gonna have to scoop it up, right? So see, so what happened is, like I said, it just goes settle at the bottom, and you will find that the smell is non-existent. I cannot believe I found this product only a third of the price or a fourth of the price, depending on where you're located. So I'm really happy with this, and this is what I'm using. I'm on my 3rd week, and I have not changed this pellet since then. So I would recommend this product, and I'm going to tell you, you're going to be so happy that you found this product. And I bet you can use this product for camping too, if you have no toilet in your camping car or something, or van. Since you hang out with me this long, you might as well find out what product this is, right? All right, the big reveal is the pelletized bedding for horses. How about that? For $6.97 for a 40-pound bag, you can't beat this price. Really. Like I said, I have not changed Timmy's litter box for at least 3 weeks. So I could probably use this 40-pound bag for 3 months. That's like a lot of savings if you're going to look at it. So this is carried by Tractor Supply Company, and I bet you can find it anywhere in the country here. And, I mean, I'm not getting paid for this recommendation or, a newfound litter box or litter, but I would highly use this again for sure. And Timmy has no complaint. He uses it. So there you go. See? If you do like this video, please like and subscribe and share this video to some of our cat lovers out there and help them save some money. Until next time, bye! That's my little kitty cat. Huh? And who is this? Let's introduce Timmy. I say introduce, but y'all know Timmy. Timmy is a cat that is very passive. He doesn't really like to get in trouble. And if you've seen some of his video, every time he's in trouble, he runs home. And he's like Forrest Gump. I should just name him Forrest, but he answered to Timmy. So, yeah, he runs home like, run, Forrest, run. So it's Timmy, run, Timmy, run. Huh? Yeah, he's such a sweet boy. Love him, love him, love him, love him.